Hey everybody, how's it going? So we're gonna do another guess what's in the box video. I'm not really sure what's in this box. It says it's from Amazon. I didn't order anything, so you guys are gonna come along with me. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so we're just gonna do a quick guess what's in the box video. I'm not sure what is in this box, to be honest with you. I didn't order anything from Amazon. It just says my name on it, my address. Doesn't have any like information of who sent it or where it's from. So when I open this box on the next video, you guys are gonna know what it is just like I am. I have no idea what it is in it. But it is 14.5 inches long by 8.25 inches wide by 7 3/8 deep. What do you guys think is in the box? I have no idea what's in the box. I'd give you a hint if I knew what it was, but I don't. But this is just a quick little video. What do you guys think it is? It's pretty, it's metal of some kind. It's not very big. I can feel by, it's probably literally like this much of the box, to be honest with you. The box is pretty huge. You can hear it, it's bouncing all over the box. So I'm not really sure what it is. Kind of sounds like it might be wrenches or something. But just a quick little video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Top of the description below, I also have an Ulsa Tools link. Guys, click on that link. It'll get you 10% off your order at Ulsa Tools, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order from Ulsa Tools. Do appreciate it. If you guys use it, you need it, go ahead and use it. I do appreciate it. If you don't need it, don't worry about it. But they do have some nice toolbox organization stuff, and they do have some nice hand tools, decent priced. But appreciate you guys sticking around, checking out the video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!